Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip north on US Highway 11 in Smith County, Virginia. We begin this video at mile 42 as we approach the city limits of the city of Marion, the county seat of Smith County. The town got its name in honor of Francis Marion, an officer in the American Revolutionary War. Marion boasts Hungry Mother State Park, which was among Virginia's original 6 state parks established in the 1930s. From 1873 to 1967, Marion was home to Marion College, a 2-year Lutheran women's college. The town also houses the Southwestern Virginia Mental Health Institute. Marion claims the birthplace of Mountain Dew, a popular soft drink. While initially marketed in Knoxville, Tennessee, the original recipe evolved significantly from Knoxville's version to Marion's syrup mix, which forms today's drink. In 1961, Marion's Tip Corporation acquired Mountain Dew's rights, and a Marion resident named William H. Jones revamped the flavor. This success led to Pepsi Corporation buying Tip Corporation in 1964. Marion hosted the Mountain Dew Festival for over 50 years. The town is recognized for its prominent hot and cold water storage tanks visible from the southbound I-81 near exit 47. Additionally, Marion is the entryway to the back of the Dragon, a stretch of State Route 16 renowned among motorcycle and sports car enthusiasts for its thrilling turns and scenic views, distinct from the previously covered tail of the Dragon on the Tennessee-North Carolina state line. We'll be traveling right through Marion's historic downtown area. Here we approach the beginning of a concurrency with Virginia State Route 16, which is erroneously marked with a US 16 shield on the right. US 11 and State Route 16 veer off to the left from East Main to North Main Street, which takes a less steep downhill path, enabling an easy crossing of the Middle Fork Holston River ahead. Pay close attention to the cutout highway shields for both US 11 and Virginia 16 along this stretch of road. Up ahead on the left stands Marion's Queen Anne-style Norfolk and Western Railway passenger depot, constructed back in 1904. Renovated for office and retail purposes between 1993 and 1994, it earned a spot on the National Register of Historic Places in 1995. Here the concurrency with State Route 16 ends as it turns left, heading to the aforementioned Back of the Dragon, connecting Marion with Tazewell, Virginia 32 miles away. One observation I made is a Walmart on the left, in the same shopping center with an Ingles grocery store. Presumably, and from its outer appearance, this is an old-school Walmart that doesn't have groceries like a modern Walmart supercenter. This is something you'd only see in a small town like this. We enter the unincorporated community of Atkins, which had a population of 1,121 as of the 2020 census. Atkins is home to the Old Stone Tavern, also called the Rock House, an ancient inn and tavern established by Frederick Cullop before 1815. This limestone structure, visible on the right at the 9-minute 32-second mark, originally 2 stories with 3 bays and a central hall, had a rear extension added in the mid-1800s, sporting a side gable roof and a porch from the mid-19th century. Built to accommodate travelers moving through Cumberland Gap to the west in the early 19th century, the tavern earned Virginia landmark status in 1981 and secured a spot in the National Register of Historic Places in 1982. We conclude today's video at mile 53. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.